Hello guys and good day. My name is Euclides from eTrade Global Team. So today I'm gonna show you how to transfer your eTrade funds into Bullcoin or into crypto Bullcoin. So first of all, go to bullcoin.io and then download their client. Once you click the download, you can choose from any different platform or what you are using. You can download the Android, Windows, Mac OS, or the Linux. So I'm using Windows and I already downloaded the client. So all you have to do is to extract the zip file and then open the crypto Bullcoin. Okay, so wait for the sync. Once your client is synced with the Bullcoin network, all you have to do is to log in your eTrade account. Okay, then click receive coins and then copy your Bullcoin address. All you have to do is to click convert and paste your Bullcoin wallet address. So let's wait for the successful sync in the Bullcoin network. Okay guys, as you can see here, my client is already up to date or synced with the Bullcoin network. So once again, go to your crypto bull client, then click receive coins, copy your Bullcoin wallet address, then go to your eTrade account and then click convert. Once again, click convert and then paste your Bullcoin wallet address and then click convert. So once the conversion is done, it will say here that request accepted. So I don't know how long it will take to receive your Bullcoin. Okay, just a reminder guys, to get up to 13% mining per month, you must keep your client open and you can trade with no limits. The longer you keep them, the more amount you win using our new cryptocurrency. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much.